Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for taking some time to watch and for being here and clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of December 21st, which is the week of Christmas and Yule. In my medium vertical recollections planner. This is a kit by Wild Summer Designs, which I have already, laid down because I do film like pre-plans with me, and I just kind of plan out what I, anticipate is going to happen for the week and for the day or whatever. So if you want to see that video where I go ahead and plan, before the week starts, I'll have that link down below, or it will pop up in the cards so you can check it out if you want after this. But this video is for memory planning. So once I've already gotten my kit laid down, I just go in day by day and fill it in with, any of the blank spots that are there, and just kind of fill it in with what happened and what I did and, things like that. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. So I didn't really have any room to put anything in on Monday because of how many plans we had already. Well, I had. So I'm just going to add one of these cute little dainty star dividers from Sadie stickers in there. And then for my gratitude for Monday, because I do track my gratitude. Oh, wait, I forgot about the thing at the bottom. As I don't want to interrupt my sentence. I do track my gratitude there in my sidebar. But first, I'm going to take one of these fun size boxes from the kit, and then a heart icon, like a circular icon from the kit, and then a little side bow from the Giving Girl, because I did decide to run my 3,000 follower giveaway over on my Instagram. I have just a little over 3,000 followers. So I've been wanting to run that giveaway since like October. But I did coordinate with a bunch of different shops for over like $380 worth of shop credit. So it was definitely, it took me a while to coordinate with so many different people. But anyway, I finally started the giveaway on Monday. And then for my gratitude on Monday, I just wrote supporters, because I'm grateful for anybody who supports me, whether it's here on YouTube or Instagram or anywhere. I'm just very grateful for it. Tuesday, I went ahead and used a piece of washi and then a rescheduled script from the Giving Girl just to like cover up the dad's house script, because my son was supposed to go to his dad's house just on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to spend Christmas, and the holidays with them. But unfortunately, he couldn't go because there was like a little bit of a COVID scare with my father-in-law. He woke up on Tuesday with symptoms. And so, we all decided it would be in the best interest of my son to not go to another household, knowing that he could have been exposed, because we were over at their house on Sunday. So 2 days later, he started having symptoms all of a sudden. Anyways, and then I also put in with a little box from the kit, the Great Conjunction, and I used a little like constellation like overlay header from Cozy Paper Co, which is a shop that I PR for. I also PR for Wild Summer Designs, by the way, because I didn't know what else to do with it. However, the Great Conjunction was on Monday. I just didn't have room to put it in, but I really wanted to put it in. And that was the whole Great Conjunction thing with Jupiter and Saturn. It was really cool. Really quick here. So on Wednesday, by the way, if you're curious about the COVID thing, just hang tight. I'm going to get there. We'll get there. I'm just like falling behind in the plan with me here. Wednesday, I'm just filling in my bill due because I had that sticker there and I had a bunch of bills due. So that's why I didn't fill it in the first place. As you can see, I had like a ton I had to like squish in there. So I filled that in. And then I didn't really want to like squish anything else in there. It was just kind of like a weird space. So I just grabbed a, what is this, like pen flourish divider thing from Honey Inked, just a little swoopy swoop thing to put in there. And then Wednesday's gratitude was that I did manage to close my rings. I just didn't really do very good this week. That's why on my blue dot habit tracker, I'm kind of doing a lot of X's. I just wasn't eating very good this week, wasn't working out like I should this week. So, wasn't closing my rings like I should or anything like that. But, it was a holiday week, I guess. That's my excuse. Thursday, so since my son didn't go to his dad's house, I took out the thing that said like pick up, my son. And instead I had to do all of the last minute wrapping because, of course I couldn't wrap before Christmas Eve. So I'm taking a holiday wrapping girl from Fox and Pip. And also I didn't do my nails on that night because, I was up until 1 a.m. wrapping presents. So I didn't have time to do my nails during the day either because I was like making cookies and we had to go do some last minute shopping and whatever. So I'm going to use another rescheduled script from the Giving Girl for that. because I didn't do my nails on Thursday. I think I did them on Christmas, maybe either Christmas or Saturday. I don't know. Anyways, and then I am going to take a half box down at the bottom of the day just to mark that I did, like I said, do a little bit of last minute shopping. I went to Walmart and then like a sports store because I was looking for some like football team slippers for my son for Christmas. And I'm just going to take a circular running icon from the kit for that. Thursday, I was grateful for being done wrapping at 1 a.m. because we've been done wrapping like way later than that in past Christmas Eves, like 2, 3 in the morning, which is ridiculous. So I was grateful that we were done by 1. For Friday, I'm just going to take a little bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. Just because there's, a little space there that I could do that in. And then we just kind of really did nothing for Christmas Day. To be safe, we stayed at home. We didn't go visit my in-laws since they had, the whole COVID scare thing. So we just stayed at home and I stayed in my PJs. So I'm taking a couple of transparent dots from the Giving Girl and then this adorable little pajama icon from Crafts by Thaowie. Just to mark that, I just hung out in my pajamas all day and didn't do anything else. And I'm using a little pen divider from the Giving Girl. Oh, and then I wanted to put the weekend banner down there because I thought it looked nice with the little pop of red over the green part. And that's just from the kit. So yeah, we had a pretty chill, opened presents, and then we had, we didn't plan on, we'd planned on having dinner at my in-laws' house, but then because of the COVID scare, we stayed home, so we had to kind of throw together our last minute dinner thing. We did like a finger foods, appetizers theme, and that was fun, really yummy. And of course, for my Friday gratitude, I was grateful for being with my family, just my immediate family in my household. Saturday, I am going to take I think it's a quarter box. I don't know. I'm going to take a box from the kit and then this adorable little, like, what are these called? Light bulbs? No. String lights? No. The tree lights? Whatever. That. Divider from Dash with Sun. And I just announced the giveaway winner on Saturday. And then I finally managed to work out again. I only worked out twice this week, which again is pretty bad. I usually try to work out 4 or 5 times, but it's a holiday, whatever. I'm going to take a flag from the kit and then some transparent dots from the Giving Girl and then a planner Pixie Co little set of weights just to mark that I did my workout. And for our movie marquee, we watched the original old school animated Alice in Wonderland. And I'm going to layer that with a popcorn bucket from Cozy Paper Co and another bow from the Giving Girl. And we just had such a fun time, when we got to the Mad Hatter scene with, the tea party, and it was so funny. We could not stop laughing when, I don't know if y'all remember, but the White Rabbit, his clock, he's always carrying around his clock saying, I'm late, and they tried to fix his little watch at the tea party. So for my gratitude, I wrote Mad Hatter, because we were cracking up, because he's like, it's 3 days slow is what it is. And then they're all trying to fix it. And then he totally breaks it and mutilates it into pieces. And then they just kind of stare at it and he goes, well, it's 3 days slow is what it is. And we're just like, oh my God, what? Anyways, so Sunday we went and got our COVID test and, so Saturday, no, not Saturday. Was it Saturday? It was either Saturday or Sunday, and my in-laws actually got their results back. No, wait, sorry, it wasn't Saturday or Sunday. It was Monday. My bad. I'm getting ahead of myself. So Saturday, we were going to go and get the test done because, they were closed Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But we went there at noon, and they were supposed to be closed at 4 or until testing runs out. They open at 8 a.m. And they were already closed, and we were like, what the heck? They were only open for 4 hours and ran out of tests? Whatever. So they managed to get a test done on Saturday because they were there early in the morning, but we did not. We got there in the afternoon. We thought, it'd be no problem. So Sunday morning, we went first thing because we didn't want them to run out of tests again. So we went and got our COVID test done on Sunday. Then I'm just going to take a couple of half boxes layered vertically. I've never done this before, so I know it looks weird. I'm sorry. I'm trying to learn and trying to create new things, or trying to recreate pretty things other people do, just trying to spread some holiday cheer in my planner here. So I've never done that before. The whole vertical box, obviously other people have done it and I'm not saying I created it. You know what I mean? I'm just saying I've never done it. So I thought I'd try it. I'm just going to layer that with a divider from Honey Inked done vertically. And then another holiday wrapping girl from Fox and Pit, but I like her because she's holding the huge stack. And then I'm going to layer that with a little corner from Cozy and then this Hello Petite planner, because I had to wrap my mom's gift since we were just going to drop it off, what is it called? Not contactless, yeah, it's distanced. I was gonna drop off her gift, you know, because I also had to go and pick up our grocery order, which thankfully we can all do, you know, distance, because if I order on Walmart grocery pickup and then they just put it in my trunk, I don't gotta risk if I have COVID giving it to anybody, you know what I mean? But while we were out, I was like, I'm just gonna go drop off your gift, Mom. So I had to wrap that, and then also my son got a new planner. He got a plum paper planner, and it came late, unfortunately, but I did get it and wrapped it up and gave it to him. And then I'm just going to fill in my checklist and use a quarter box from the kit and a Starbucks little planner doodle cup. Not planner, it says planner on it. Doodle cup from Wild Summer Designs with a bow from the Giving Girl. And it's just because we grabbed Starbucks before we went and got the COVID test done, because, like, you know, we're going to be there super early in the morning. And then I used a little star divider from Sadie stickers again. And I wrote meal plan for my gratitude on Sunday because I was grateful that I had the time to actually meal plan. So good news again about the COVID thing. My father-in-law and my mother-in-law do not have it. They got their test back negative. I'm 99% sure we don't have it, because if we had gotten it from anywhere, it would have been from them, and they didn't have it. So thankfully, we haven't gotten our results yet back, but I'm confident it's going to be 0. But anyways, so that was it for this whole video. So thank you so much for being here and for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, because it does help out my channel, and I super appreciate your support, and I'm very grateful for it. I was gonna say gracious again. Why do I always want to mix those words up? I don't know. Anyway, definitely subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss any more of my videos, and be sure to leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi. I always say hi back. I respond to all of my comments because I love chatting with you guys. Again, all these shops are linked down below. I don't know if I mentioned that because I always forget to mention it, but yeah, they are all linked down below, but you can always feel free to ask me if you just want to ask. I hope that everyone had a wonderful Yule, a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful whatever you celebrate, or just a wonderful week if you don't celebrate anything at all. Then I hope you had a wonderful day, a wonderful week. I know it can be really difficult around the holidays for people to stay home and not travel to see their families. So if this is you and that is your scenario, then I do apologize. But just remember that you are loved and you are worthy and you are enough just the way that you are. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Take care, stay safe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.